my makeup is all done. Now I'm getting ready to go figure out what I want to wear for this video.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Just to be honest with you guys, that's actually my worst thing about actually recording a video is figuring out what to wear. Which is crazy because I sell clothing for a living. I love clothing, I love styling, I love getting dressed. But when it comes to the videos and getting dressed, it feels like it's a chore, like I have to do it instead of it just being fun and something I want to do. To be honest with you, I probably would record more if it wasn't for the getting dressed part. But I'm about to go in my closet now and try to figure out what it is that I want to wear today. And normally when I get dressed, I usually start with the shoes. But since I'm just recording like a sit down video and you won't see my feet, I don't have to worry about shoes. I just need to go to my closet and figure out what it is that I want to wear today for you guys in this video. This is the problem. I don't know what I want to wear. What should I even put on for this video? I mean, it shouldn't even be that serious because I'm just recording a video. Now, typically, I won't even show my closet. That's one of my spaces that I usually don't show. But I need to figure out what the heck I'm wearing today because I don't know what I'm putting on. Normally, I record on the weekends. So, like, today is a Sunday. And typically on a Sunday, you know, I'm relaxing. I actually wanted to go to the beach today, but I knew I just needed to record. So I stayed home. And on Sundays, I cook my Sunday dinners. So I'm usually just in sweatpants. And don't get me wrong, I don't mind recording in sweatpants. Trust me, there's plenty of times I've recorded with pants. To be honest with you, there's sometimes I record with no pants on at all because you only see my top anyway. But today, I'm gonna put in a little effort. It's a beautiful Sunday. Let me get dressed in case after I cook, I want to go somewhere after. But I don't know what to put on just to record a video. I think I got it figured out now, so let me throw it on real quick so then I can go and finally do my hair, get this scarf off my head, because this is probably the first time you guys have ever seen me even looking like this. So I did all that trying to figure out what to wear just to end up in something so basic. Just this crop top and some jeans. That's it, just for me to be able to record this video because after this I'm gonna be cooking anyway. But let me go ahead and go do my hair. And now that I'm finally dressed, I can go ahead and record this video. Well, actually not quite yet because I gotta go clean up my setup area because there's a ton of products that I need to record videos for to promote because I agreed to promote these products and I haven't recorded them yet since I've been on my hiatus. So I gotta clean up all those boxes out of that area, get my setup ready. I think my desk is a mess too and I need my computer for this video I'm getting ready to record today. So I gotta clean all that crap up too. But once I get through that, then I can actually film this video. Do you guys see the amount of work I have to go through just to record a video? But because I love you guys that much, I do this every time, every weekend for you guys because I'm human. I do run two businesses, so my desk isn't always clean. So I gotta clean up that mess so that I can record for you guys. But I'm about to go get it done so that I can record today. The goal is to at least record like 2 videos, maybe 3. But I know me, after I record 1, I'm ready to go eat. So we'll see what happens. But my makeup's done. I'm dressed. Oh, and if I record more than 1 video, I have to change the outfits in between, which means I gotta come back into this closet again, figure out what it is that I want to wear. A lot of times I'll just change my top, keep the same bottoms on because a lot of time you don't see that anyway. But let's see what I can get through today. Let me go clean up. And now my space is all clean up, it's all set up. But first, let me drink my energy drink so I can actually have the energy to get through this because I feel like I'm going to start running out of energy soon. Plus I think my camera battery is about to die, so I need to hurry up. I didn't even show you guys the actual setup process of me getting my lights all set up and all this stuff over here set up. Normally this area is already set up, but again, because I haven't been recording in a while, it more so became like a storage area. So this is not even the setup that it's supposed to be because I just rearranged things and I haven't finished setting it up, but this will have to do for today. So let me go ahead and start recording that first video because I really need to get that done today. So as I mentioned at some point in this video that there's a bunch of products that I need to record these videos for. Like I've been holding on to these products for a while now. These brands probably hate me at this point because I don't typically do this. If I agree to promote something, I usually get it out right away. But I've been sitting on these products for quite a while because I really needed a break. So I'm hoping they understand, but today I think I'm gonna do the video on these two products. And one is an iPad stand, and you guys know I love my iPad. But this is one of the items that I'm going to promote. To be honest with you, I actually already tried this. This one here, I'm actually really excited about it. And I'm showing you guys the back of the box. But it's a desktop riser, so to lift my computer up, which I really don't need more height. But the thing that I'm excited about, because I really need it, is the fact that it has... I don't know if you guys can see because my light is directly behind me, but it has extra USB ports, and I believe it has USB-C on there. Yes, it does. And it has an SD slot on there, although my computer has the SD slot on there. But I've run out of USB ports and USB-C ports because I have so much stuff plugged up to my computer. So I'm really looking forward to setting this one up today because I need those USB ports. I'm tired of trying to find places to plug things up or either switching out what's plugged up at the time. So I think that's what I'm gonna... So I think that's what I'm going to show you guys, but I'll actually show you the product in the actual video, so you'll have to watch the full video to find out about that. But as I said for like the third time, let me go ahead and record this video before my camera battery dies on me. Do you guys see the amount of energy this takes to record a video? And that's just the intro. But I still have to go over by my desk and actually record the footage showing you guys what it is that I'm getting ready to show you guys. And then I have to do the outro too, which really, because my outro is usually recorded here, I'll record that and then go over to my desk because I gotta move my entire setup over by my desk with all the lights and my camera. But this is a lot of work. I was getting ready to curse at you guys. This is a lot of work, okay? This is why I don't record as often as I would like to. But hopefully I can get back into the groove of things.